Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2026 Grand Design Imagine. And this is the 2600 RV travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, you do have the nice fiberglass front cap with rock guard, electric tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks with a cover, spot for a battery right up front there as well. Nice big pass-through storage with rubber flooring. Your battery disconnect and solar disconnects are right over here, along with outside shower and some extra GFCI outlets. All fiberglass exterior on the Imagine product. There is a solar panel on the roof. One slide out on the 2600 RB. You do have exterior ladder on the back wall. Your power cord plug-in is to the right of the ladder. And then it does have an accessory hitch on the bottom that is rated for 250 pounds. Prep for a backup camera up top. Nice big electric awning with LED lighting. And then you do have the nice flat top griddle to the right of the entry door. Triple steps going in. And as we walk in, you do have your Compass Connect control center here, along with your JBL Bluetooth speaker. Nice flat screen TV with plenty of storage down below. Full-size refrigerator and freezer. Solid surface countertops in the kitchen with 3-burner oven and microwave up above. There is also a fan directly above the sink and a countertop extender on the end. Nice large windows in the slide. U-shaped dinette. That will go down into a bed if you need it. And then you do have reclining theater seats right across from the TV. And nice big bathroom in the back. Porcelain toilet. Tons of countertop space. Huge medicine cabinet. Fan in the bathroom. And then skylight in the shower. And plenty of floor space in there too. And up front you do have the closed off bedroom with a queen bed. Storage along each side. Spot for a TV there if you'd like to add it. Another vent in the bedroom. And then you've got outlets and USB on each side of the bed there. We'll do one more walk around to the floor plan. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RV travel trailer, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.